Hello learners, I am Dr. Subodh Kesharwani working with Indira Gandhi National Open University in School of Management Studies, being a course coordinator of this course called Computer Application in Business. We are here with another thought-provoking lecture which focus more on how the video is going to facilitate the business and help us in generating profit. I think in our preceding sessions we have talked a lot about making of videos, making of PowerPoint, how the text is going to helpful when you are making a report, but this video is quite useful because by that learner is going to get an impact about how the video, how this business is going to affected by that, because the whole world is right now moving from brick and mortar system to click and mortar system, and technology enabled business had come up. So we have seen that the artificial intelligence, the machine learning, or the deep learning or blockchain technology is now knocking a door, and in this technological era, video is very important aspect, because with the help of video you can directly go into the mind of the consumer in a very faster mode, and very easily you can put the image of the company, image of the product in a very shorter span. So during this particular discussion, I hope we will have a very innovative discussion with our learners which focus more on how this video is going to helpful to the business as a whole and facilitate the entrepreneurs, the startups in generating profit. I think we should start with leads and sales, and we see that how this video is very important when we talk about the web, when we talk about the comparisons, when we talk about the different aspects. So is video better than text? Now the first question which comes in our mind, that the textual format is somewhat inferior than video, or video is surpassing the text. So if we go into the statistics, I think we will see that video gets 1200% more shares than text and images combined, and your brain can also process visuals much quicker than it can text. So about 90% of the total information transmitted to your brain is visual. On top of that, your brain can process these visuals 60,000 times faster than the text. So no doubt the penetration as far as the video is concerned is very high, and its inclination is quite contemporary in nature. So according to recent Aberdeen reports, the marketers who use video see much faster revenue growth, that is 49%, than those who do not. So however, video has become more than just a marketing tool. So with their capability to visually explain and demonstrate things and concepts, videos can help businesses not only showcase their products and services, attracting new customers, but they can help companies attract new employees and even make workers more productive. Now video has emerged front and center. This is the statistics. So over the past few years, content marketing has undergone a huge transformation, and video has emerged as a front and center. So now it's arguably the most effective strategy you can use to connect with your audience, especially in the age of mobile marketing. Many smartphones users find engaging types of video content difficult to resist. Take a look at these numbers. Each month, 85% of internet users in various countries watch video content. By 2021, the average person will spend 100 minutes every day watching online video, a 19% increase from last 2-3 years. So 93% of the companies claim they can got new customers because of their video content on social media. 63% of business say that video gets the best return on investment on social media. And yet, despite the obvious potential of video marketing, a lot of companies are still sitting on the sidelines. Many marketers believe that it is easier to produce blogs, case studies, and even white papers. In comparison, the concept of regularly rolling out fresh, unique video content is daunting prospect. So no matter what social sites you are on, pretty obvious that is dominating content. Video is popular. The future is video. Video provides measurable return on investment. Video tells more. Videos are versatile. Your audience is watching video. Anyone can create video. Video improves SEO results, that is search engine optimization results. So what we have seen that in our coming sessions, when you go through and scroll and roll down this particular videos or the weeks, you will find out that we have dedicatedly talked about the YouTubes. So how this YouTube is going to helping in making the videos or uploading the videos, and giving you a platform where you can launch your own channel. So the whole world is right now moving from brick and mortar system to click and mortar system. The commerce had been changed. We are right now more emphasizing on e-commerce or m-commerce. So in this era, how the things are going to be changed. I think the impact, the role of the video is very important, and we have to keep in mind that video is something which is in need of an hour. And in coming days you find out that this kind of pedagogy, the contemporary pedagogy, is definitely going to create a niche and do the business in a more faster mode. Let's recapitulate what we have done in our preceding sessions. Video is an electronic medium for the recording, copying, playback, broadcasting and display of moving visual media. This we have already covered in our preceding sessions, and we know that when learners wants to recapitulate, I think very easily they can recapitulate. Video was first developed by mechanical television system, which were quickly replaced by cathode ray tube, which were later replaced by flat panel displays of several types. So now the $1 million question which comes in our mind, that why video? So video is a versatile and engaging content format that not only gives us a real life picture of what is going on, it also easy to share across multiple platforms. Consumers like it because it's easy to digest, entertaining and engaging, and marketers like it because it can give a potentially huge return on investment through many channels. So what you have seen that in the coming days, we are more talking about the web series, we are talking about, over the top OTT model is there. So how this model had come up, it had given roof to the individual. The more openness is there, where you don't have to go into the litigations, or you finally upload your video and then the people can watch. So there is no time constraint. The viewers can view the videos as per their pace, as per their convenience. So that is the the USP this particular the channels are giving. And video is also very accessible to anyone with internet access, both to watch and to produce. While there is certainly a trend towards high quality video on a professional level, anyone can hop onto their laptop and create their own video in under an hour. So that is the way, and the moment you make the video, very easily you can upload it. So the moment you upload, if you are talking about the product which you are producing, or giving the description about the product, I think it can float it to thousands of people, the millions of people, and you get the response in a very shorter span. So this is something which had given edge to the video, and in coming discussion you will find out that this model is going to be adapted by all the companies, all the industries, all the business houses. Now, what type of communication is video? Some of the common forms of video communication are video calling, video conferencing, telepresence and video sharing. 5 ways to simply communication using video: voice over actor, the personal touch. By using a professional voice over actor, you will able to connect with your audience on more personal level. Graphics and animation, be visual, relate your message to the audience, keep it short. So word of mouth is an age-old marketing tool because trust remains intrinsic among consumers. Consumer trust the experience of others. Build that trust from the start by speaking directly to consumers through video to establish pure connectivity. Most of the content marketing will be video. I think if you talk about the 2021, when we have come out from this pandemic stage, and rather we can say the post COVID situations, we see that this content marketing had come up in a big manner. Business must involve with times or die out, and by 2021 online content will consist of 80 to 90% video marketing, and mobile consumption of video content continually rise by 100% annually. So if we see the following statistics, 90% of consumers indicate product video directly inform purchase decisions. 92% of videos viewed via mobile are shared compared to other modes of access. 95% of consumers retain communicated information through video, while only 10% retain information from reading. So companies utilizing video content experience a 41% increase in traffic through web searches compared to others who don't include video in their content strategies. Video offers the best return on investment, as 51 to 60% of marketing experts agree. Types of video, I think there are various kinds of videos which are there. There are plenty of different types of video. Out of there, are part of creating an effective content marketing strategy is having a solid understanding of your purposes before you sit down and create the video. Type of content, to that end you want to make sure that both the types of video and the channel proposes fit the purpose of the video itself. Breakdown of where you can be using different types of video. Explainers can help educate people about your product and can be used in conjunction with instructions, customer service activities, and a whole other range of applications. Interviews can help to encourage conversions between sites or showcase a special guest or influencer. If you are creating videos featuring guest experts, for instance, you can always reuse the audio and market it as a podcast. So product reviews and demo videos can be created by brand ambassadors in exchange for free products. If you can find people in your industry looking to boost their social following, this can be a great way of essentially getting free advertising. Doing this can also help you to find out information about the product. If the people doing the video reviews have a lot of engagements and comments, so in sense it can function like market research. So live video is the best chance to get up close and personal with your audience, and it works well on social channels in particular. Business needs video. I think we have already have a very elaborative discussions as far as the video is concerned in our preceding discussions, and we have seen that how we are moving from text to PowerPoint, and then PowerPoint presentations are very easily converted into video. And at the end of the day, behind every intention, the genesis behind is that the profit. So if you talk in a business perspective, I think we start with the research and development, we start with the innovations, we start with the creativity, and narrow down ourselves after a certain time to see how it is going to serve the society by and large, and how the profit is going to be generated by the company, because the mandate of any business house is to generate a profit. So in the same lines, the video need to be created, and there's a great need of video in the business, and with their capability to visually explain and demonstrate things and concepts, video can help businesses not only showcase their product and services, attracting new customers, but they can help companies attract new employees and even make workers more productive. So now the thing is that why is video important for business? So now video is quite important for business because with 1 billion hours of YouTube content watched, it's undeniable that they want more videos. Aside from being convenient and efficient, video marketing offer business an appealing, versatile and shareable tools to reach their audience. So when learners can scroll down this particular video, particular course, they will find out that these courses bifurcated into 12 weeks, and in each week you will find out certain components. So once you scroll down, you will find out that we have dedicatedly talked about the YouTube, how we are going to work under the ambit of YouTube, how we can create a video, how the video can be uploaded, how you can see the likes, how many people have reciprocated. So this is the platform which we have talked under the ambit of YouTube. So once the learner go through the YouTube, they can very easily know that, and this YouTube, uploading the video on YouTube is quite helpful for the business, because once you uploaded the video, the penetration started. A lot of footfall is coming up, and the learners are able to know or that how the things are, what modus operandi the business is going to adapt. Because if you are not going to apply the technology in the present scenario, you will be redundant, you will be out of picture, and ultimately what will happen, the other business houses, your competitor can take a mileage and create a niche. So if you want to be into a market, if you want to establish yourself, I think you have to have some contemporary thoughts with you, and that is where things are quite important if you are talking about the videos. So informing and educating is something, and there are certain statistics behind that also. 97% of marketers claim that video help customers understand products. For most part, marketers today are no longer taking a pitching type of approach. There's simply too much choice out there. Consumers and business simply don't need to be sold. Instead, they are doing a quick internet search to find the best product in their neighborhood or even the world where they will proceed to order in online. To this end, marketers in fields, perhaps not all, need to approach audience with a value-based offer instead of sale, and video excel at giving customers real up, close up at a product, service, or even an influencer or a teacher. So search engine optimization is there because the whole world is right now talking about the web analytics, the Google AdSense. We have, if you go through this particular text material which we have developed for our learners, and it could be available at eGyan Coach, you will find out that Google AdSense, we have talked a lot about Google AdSense, and this AdSense is giving the consumers, the company, that what exactly the consumers are expecting, because there was a time when we are more emphasizing on the push approach. Push approach is more supply centric, whereas pull approach is more customer centric. So today AdSense is talking about that what kind of ad the consumers are expecting, so that in the same lines you can design the ad and that can be hit, and that can be imbibe in the consumer's mind. Because if you make a advertisement which is of different mindset, which is of different thought, I think somewhere you can eliminate yourself, and then what happens, the customer can deviate themselves from that particular path. So if you want to give a benefit, or if you want to extract consumers, I think the best part is that you can have able to know what AdSense the consumer expecting. So search engine optimization is something like which talks about the web analytics, which talk about what exactly the inclination is, and on the basis of that what you have developed, what technology you have developed, the video you have been developed, it need to be diverted in that manner. So 80% of all traffic consists of video by 2021. This is a report which is given by the Cisco. Search engines loves video because they see them as high quality content. So to this end, using videos in various types of content as well as on your main web page can work wonders for your SEO, as long as the video themselves are optimized properly as well. And this means incorporating the right keywords, a solid meta description, and also a strong title is somewhat clicking the mind of the individual or the consumers. Staying competitive. 81% of business are now using video for marketing. Videos are amazing for getting all sorts of messages out there, and if we think in terms of practically, a short unique explainer video can do a world of difference when it comes to educating people on the ins and outs of a particular product. And by using storytelling and unique types of media, you can easily catch people's attention and hold it while they're actually entertained. So depending on how it matches your product, you may want to use an animated or illustrated explainer video to stand out from the crowd and not come across too in your face. So getting personal. So live video will account for 13% of traffic by 2021, and this is a forecasting by the technocrats. And ever wanted to check out Facebook Live or Instagram Stories? If you are in digital marketing career, if you're heading in that direction, you will need to learn how to create basic videos and optimize them. So these social networking sites, either it could be the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or the WhatsApp which is coming up. So Instagram and Snapchat are both awesome for offering people intimate glimpses or short personal glance of what you are up to an end, and they are so great for creative tools. The interesting thing about these videos is that they are only up for 24 hours, so that creates more a real-time feel. So real-time, the model had come up where the instant, things are floating on the web and coming up. So it also gives the marketers the opportunity to develop ads that are focused on time-sensitive promotion. So real-time ephemeral content is great for offering a feel of face-to-face interaction and building a brand trust, offering audience casual, interesting updates. So if you talk about the boosting conversion, 90% of consumer claims a video will help them make a purchasing decisions. That is very true, because video can give the details about the product, about the company from underneath to pinnacle, and they can visualize the thing, the brands. And that is the reason in today's scenario we are talking about the shelf life. We know that the shelf life of the company was if you talk 3 decades, 4 decades back, it was somewhere around 30 to 40 years. But right now it had narrowed down to 5 years or 4 years. So new brand is coming up with new thought, with new philosophy. And the latest example, it's a web series. Nobody had thought of that the market of the set-top box can eliminate it, or this stereotype, the TV serials. Now nobody interested about that. They are more talking about the channels, they are more talking about the web series. So if it had been observed that 74% of people who get an opportunity to see a product in active via an explainer video will buy it, and landing pages are a great place to place videos, and 80% have come up with this thought that keep autoplay off, so not to scare the customer away with loud noises. So another reason why video is great for conversions on website is that they actually keep people around for long enough to look around on the site. And this is especially true for those who are not big readers. A good rule of thumb is to assume that people's eyes could be tired from looking at the screen all the day, and supposedly people watching a video stick around for some 2 whole minutes longer if their video is. So what we have to do, and when we have to be quite cautious while making a video, and the video could be of very short duration. So, and there is a statistic which says that if video is for longer time, I think people can migrate from there, people can switch over from there. But if if video is catchy and retain the consumers at that particular path for a longer time, I think somewhere they have win the battle. So there are certain best practice for video marketing. If you have some amazing reasons for incorporating video into your marketing activities or learning how to create awesome videos, you are interested in digital marketing careers, but how do you actually go about making a video that engaging and optimized? So we have to figure out an ideal video length, which I was talking about. Like if you see the social networking sites, if you talk about the Instagram, they have restricted to 30 seconds. If you talk about the Twitter, they have given a capping of 45 seconds. The Facebook have given a ceiling of 1 minute, whereas YouTube have given the maximum height of 2 minutes as far as the video is concerned. So other things you will want to ensure that the best engagement and accessibility, as well as boost your SEO, including captions for autoplay and keeping the video on silent. It's on a landing page. Videos on landing page can be very effective, but only if they don't scare viewers away. So you will also want to be sure to keep your video mobile friendly across the board. So making video benefits for a small business, I think, as far as this particular course is concerned, that is BCOS 183, which emphasizes more on the business, because this is part of our program called BCom. And the whole BCom is talking about the business, how you can establish your business, how you can run business, what are the finances which are there, how you can manage your employees. So it is something which talks about the entrepreneur who have recently executed their startups, and for them the video is of great use, because we have already talked in our preceding session that entrepreneur have a lot of scarcity and they have got the financial crunch. So I think the video is something which can directly goes to millions of people, the billions of people, and if the product is catchy, very easily they can divert the consumers towards their platform. So increase brand awareness. So Facebook generates 8 billion video views on average per day, which means people are really responding to video contents. Videos are more engaging and attract people compared to other forms of content. They're great at connecting with people and helping them get to know your brand. With the right video content and marketing strategy, your brand can spread there like wildfire, and it can become a hot cake. So increase online presence. Without an online presence, it's pretty difficult for most businesses to survive, and video marketing can increase your online presence by making your content more engaging and easier to consume. Videos encourage viewers to click a subscription link or visit a site, and when people like what they see, they spread the word by clicking the share button. Effective video marketing content will help your small business become a prominent online entity. Reveals personality. As humans, we hate interactivity with robots. Oftentimes, a brand remains anonymous to our eyes because we are very little human representations. Video eliminates this barrier. It puts a face or faces to the name, which most common customers prefer. Video allows people to hear and see you, which connect with people at another level compared to other types of content. Boost social media engagement. Everyone posts images or writes articles on social media, but how do you stand out from everyone else? By creating engaging videos. Engagement is very important in the digital marketing world. If your content does not drive engagement, traffic and conversion, you will suffer. And videos promote social media engagement. If you produce relevant and educational videos, content that speaks to your ideal clients, it builds trust. So we have already established that customers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video. And videos connect you and your audience in a more personal way compared to other forms of content. Video allows people to get to know you and like you, so they can eventually trust you. And we all know people do business with those they know, like and trust. Videos can be easy and expensive to produce. Creating and editing videos is not as hard you might think. There are businesses creating pretty professional videos with a smartphone, a mic and some basic video editing. And you don't want the branding videos for your company like a home video, but there are a lot of videos you can create in-house or with minimal assistance. So Good part is that for making a video you require a device which could be on your fingertips, a camera, or a mic, and a room which could be a soundproof, and very easily you can generate a video. And good part is that make a short video, a video in seconds, so that they can directly hit the consumer's mind. So video promote brand awareness, improve online presence, humanize a brand, boost engagement, build trust, and can be inexpensive and easy to produce. But the ultimate benefit of video marketing for small business is creating sales. Video marketing will help increase sales for your business. Give it a try and see what happens. I think we have a very innovative, very thought-provoking sessions which was focusing more on how we can do the video marketing and how this video is going to add a feather in a cap as far as the business profit is concerned, as far as making your company limelight, making your product update into the market, because the whole world is changing. The very easily the product become redundant and new product comes up. So how you are going to talk about this particular thing, so that the adaptability will be there from the consumer end. So the truth is, video marketing is not as complex it seems. It's just about getting familiar with what video content people love to watch and then offering more of that. Video is one of the most powerful content forms in the world, and the truth is that it's not likely to be going anywhere soon, and it makes sense. In a impersonal digital world, we are craving connections and personality, and we want to see and hear people in real life context, which is quite meaningful. And video is not only fun, it's really one of the best ways to get up close to your audience and give them a real glimpse of what you and your business or your clients are doing. The key here is to think beyond profit and products. Show them something about your philosophy, or share some information on an interesting event, or offer some valuable information. The more they know about your positive practices, the more likely they are stick around. I think we have a very thought-provoking sessions which starts with the curtain raiser to video, then talking a little bit about video, how video is going to helpful, how there's a paradigm shift from text to PPT and then video, and then how this is going to be useful to the business when learners move through week to week. I think we have very preliminary sessions in the very beginning talking about the technology, then we have moved to the application softwares, then we have talked about how offices are going to be helpful with these kind of model, how the businesses are going to be fruitful, and finally we are moving and shifting to this particular aspects. In our coming sessions, I think by that we can wind up this particular week, and then in coming sessions we will talk about the spreadsheets. I think spreadsheet is something which is very important, because in business the finances, the balance sheet, the profit loss account or income and expenditure is very important aspect, and this transaction is in millions, it's in big numbers. So how we are going to regulate, how we are going to do that, because technology is changing and footfall is coming up, so we have to take care of this part in a very systematic manner. And when we talk about business, we have to talk about jack of all. It's not like that you can confine to one domain and leave out your other domains. So this particular course is quite important as far as learner is concerned, and definitely this will give them an edge to set up their own entity, or if they are working in any organization, they can make their make themselves acquainted with the company environment and do the wonders with that. Thank you very much. We have some more sessions in coming days. I hope the learners have enjoyed this. Thank you.